Hello everyone, this is Renu here. Welcome all of you in my YouTube channel. Students, in today's topic we will discuss about to find square of a number ending with unit place 5, and in this topic we will discuss a trick, and with the help of these tricks you can easily find the square of a number having unit place 5 just in 2 seconds. So let's begin today's session, and those students who didn't subscribe the channels yet, please subscribe my channel so that you can get more videos about mathematics. So students, here we will take the example of numbers having unit place 5. So here our first number is 5 square, second is 15 square, 25 square, 35 square, 45 square, and so on. So in all these numbers we have unit place 5. So first of all we will write a number having unit place 5. The last two digit of all these number square is 25, because 5 square is 25, and in 15 square last two digit will be 25. Similarly here 25, 25, last two digit of these numbers will be 25. So we will write here 25. Now next 15 square, to find 15 square last two digit will be 25, and what will be the next digit here? So here it will depend upon the this digit. Now this digit is 1 and the successor of 1 is 2. So we will multiply this digit with its successor, that is successor of 1 is 2, and product of 1 and 2 is 2 ones are 2. So here we will write 2. So 15 square is 225. Similarly here we will find the square of 25, and square of 25 we will write last two digit, that is last two digit will be 25, and what will be the next digit here? It will depend upon this digit. So here this digit is 2 and the successor of 2 is 3. So multiply this digit with its successor, that is 2 3 the 6. So 25 square is 625. Similarly in 35 square last two digit will be 25, and successor of 3 is 4. So multiply this digit with its successor, that is 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. So 35 square is 1225. Similarly here this digit is 4 and the successor of 4 is 5. So 4 5s are 20. 2025 will be the square of 45 square. Similarly here the successor of 5 is 4, and 5 6 are 30. So 3025 will be the square of 55. Similarly 65 square, so 65 square last two digit will be 25, and here we will write the product of 6 and its successor, that is successor of 6 is 7. So 6 7s are 42, that is 4225 will be the square of 65. Okay, now next we will find the square of 75. Square of 75 means the last two digit will be 25, and the successor of 7 is 8. 7 8s are product of 7 with its successor. Okay, so 7 8s are 56. So square of 75 will be 5625. Similarly here we will find 85 square. 85 square means last two digit will be 25, and the successor of 8 is 9, and 8 9s are 72. So 7225 will be the square of 85. Similarly we will find 95 square. 95 square means last two digit will be 25, and successor of 9 is 10. So 9 10s are 90, means 9025 will be the square of 95. Similarly we will find the square of 105. So last two digit will be 25, and here the successor of these two digit, that is 10. Successor of 10 is 11, and 11 10s are 110. So here we will write 110. So 11,025 will be the square of 105. Similarly here 115 square means last two digit will be 25, and the successor of 11 is 12. 11 into 12, that is we will find here the product of 11 with its successor, that is 11 12 and 11 12 is 132. So square of 115 is 13,225. So students, with the help of these tricks you can easily, just in 2 seconds, you will be able to find the square of a number having unit place 5. So students, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channels. Thank you so much. Meeting with you next session.